we're gonna make a dinosaur valley, developing the kids' imagination and creativity. Let's look inside what we've got here. Let's cut the tag. And unzip. Alright, so these are the blocks and the leaves. Some more blocks and creeper. The swimming pool. Fruits. Part of the tree. And we're gonna use these. Cactus. Some more parts. Some more blocks. Alright, so we've got a bunch of things here to make the dinosaur valley. Let's place everything in order. Here's a little dinosaur. Okay, the dinosaur baby is in the egg. There are some more blocks and the big dinosaur. Alright then, let's get started. We have all these objects numbered here. We just need to join them all together like this. Let's keep everything aside and make some room so that we can begin. We're gonna look at the sheet and then place the dinosaur. Then let's put all the objects one after the other. So we're gonna arrange all the objects that we have shown in the sheet. Basically telling what we have here so that we don't forget anything. These blocks look pretty. Alright, we got plenty of blocks and the eggshell. And we're gonna remove everything from the tabletop so that we have room. We're gonna place the pool in the center. And the dinosaur goes to the pool. The dinosaur's neck moves. And the dinosaur likes to be near the water. Here's a tree by the water. And we're gonna place this flower on the top. Here's a tree. And we're gonna place this by the water. Now we have this block that goes here. under the bigger one like this. Then these two go here like this. Wow, that's a nice color. And these little square ones go on top of that. And then another one goes on top of that. I like that stack of blocks. That's beautiful. Alright, we have an eggshell. And the baby dinosaur goes on top of the mama dinosaur. Let's keep the eggshell here. And now we have the cactus. It goes on the block like this. This goes here. This goes on the top. And what's this? It's pterodactyl. Let's place it here. Let's move things closer. The cactus goes here. And let's keep these here. And the creeper. Let's attach the one side to the pool and the other one on this structure right here. Let's change the place for this. And let's place these blocks here. On the block too. And let the baby dinosaur go on that. The dinosaur is peeping from between the tree like this. Wow, there's fruits, bananas. Some more bananas. Here. And this goes on the side and some more blocks. Nice little flowers go here. Some more blocks go here. Let's put the window structure there. This be here. Let's put the garden fork here. Let's put some more. And the spade. And another fork here. Let's keep the dinosaur out like this. He's free to roam about, so he can go from one place to another wherever he likes. And the dinosaur can drink water too. This is so much fun! The Dinosaur Valley! Yay! Hello friends! Today we're gonna make a leaf. We have different molds available here. And we're gonna make the object using these colorful clay. So today we're gonna make a leaf. So let's pick up the mold for the leaf. And for which I'm gonna use the light green color clay. So let's start rolling it with the rolling pin. Spread it with the palm, like this. Let's make it smooth. Pick it up. And now the other side. Let's roll it with a rolling pin. Let's spread it out enough so that we can place the mold. Let's keep it vertically now. And let's place the mold here. Yes, it fits. And press it firmly with your palms. Like this. Make sure you don't move the mold. Now remove the extra clay and let the mold be steady on the counter. Now remove the mold. You can take the help of the knife if it sticks to the mold. Bring it down. Or you can just pull it off. Make sure it doesn't change the shape. Alright, it's out. Alright, so for the veins and the midrib of the leaf, I'm gonna use the dark green color clay. So first I'm gonna make the midrib that goes from the top of the leaf up till the stem like this. So I'm gonna take a chunk of the clay and start rolling it on the counter like this. And place it across the leaf like this, vertically. So that's the midrib. Make sure it sticks properly and doesn't come off. So the midrib is done. Now let's make the veins. The veins go on either side of the midrib. We're gonna roll the clay even thinner. And stick it here, like this. You can cut the little extra, because of course the veins don't exceed the leaf. We'll take another chunk and roll it on the tabletop. You can first roll it between your fingers to make a ball. And then you can roll on the tabletop. It's easier to make it long like this by rolling. And you need to roll it very gently. This goes on the other side. We take another chunk and roll it. We can take the clay as per our requirement and cut out the rest of it. Now place it very nicely. And take a little more of the clay, a tiny chunk, and roll it on the tabletop. You can cut the extra out and place the rest of it on the other side like this. You just need to roll the clay on the tabletop. Take the length of your choice and stick on the leaf like this. Alright, so our leaf is ready.